The Canadian refugee system allows for different types of asylum claims, and today I will briefly explain the difference between inland refugee claims and port of entry refugee claims. An inland refugee claim is a claim made within Canada after a person has already entered Canada through a port of entry or an undetected border crossing. In contrast, a port of entry refugee claim is made at a border or port of entry, such as the airport. This is an important distinction because inland and POE claims have different timelines and processes. A person who makes a claim at a border or at the airport will be asked to fill out forms with their personal information, education and work history, residential history, and so on. It's important to provide the most accurate and up-to-date information to immigration, and having a representative can help ensure that the information provided meets those expectations. Sometimes claimants will fill these forms out at the POE with a CBSA officer and interpreter if required. Other times, they will be required to complete the forms on their own and send their completed and signed forms to the general CBSA email or to a specific officer. POE claimants will usually have 45 days from their claim being referred to the RPD, Refugee Protection Division, to submit their basis of claim and narrative, which is what we call the refugee story. A foreign national who wishes to make a claim within Canada will be required to do so through an online portal, which has recently been updated in September 2022. In the portal, the foreign national will answer questions related to their personal information, education, work history, residential history, and so on, and also attach their narrative and basis of claim form. While you do not need a lawyer to make a refugee claim, it can be beneficial to have someone who is familiar with the process to guide you and review your information to ensure that it's accurate and sufficient for immigration. Needless to say, the refugee framework can be difficult to navigate and complicated, and it's great to have that legal advice whenever you need it.